Page 90, hymn time. We got a piece in the key of A flat major, same key we've been in here recently. The right hand has a melody, the left hand has chords, primary chords pretty much. 6/8 times, so an eighth note's going to get a count. So at the beginning it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. I don't know how fast moderato is. It's somewhere in the middle. It's a range. It's what do you think it is? We're going to go slow, but that's what it is. At the bottom of the page there is a D C all fine. So we're going to go back up to the top and go to fine, which is in the middle of the second line. The right hand has a melody, obviously, so keep the right hand louder than the left. In other words, actually that's not right. You play the right hand at the dynamic given. At the medium loud, here at the beginning mezzo forte, the MF, whatever that is, and the left hand has to be under that, softer. So that's what we want to hear. You can change that as you go through. Once you get to know the piece, you can get louder and softer as you feel. As you feel it, you interpret it, you turn it into music. What we're doing is just mechanical. And get past all that, learn it, get past the mechanics, so you can start thinking about the emotional effect. Because that's where it really turns into music. The only trickiness in the left hand that I can see is the ties. If you look at the last measure of the first line on that one chord, you got all those ties going out off in the note place where they're going to the next line, to the next chord. So you're going to hold that chord down for 9 counts, a full 6 counts in the last measure of the first line, plus another 3 counts in the first measure of the second line. So that's 9 counts total. You got to hold it down. You get the same thing in the next line. Look at the first 2 measures in the left hand. In the second measure of that line, don't play it again. Hold it down that long. So it's all tied. Ugh. So I'm going to give us 6 counts and let's play this together slowly, just to check the notes and the rhythms. So the right hand is here, left hand's here, no pedal. 1, 2, 3, 4, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. Isn't this fun? I'm just having a ball here. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the top. 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, off.